right here is the brain. We're going to start with the sulcus, the fissures, and the lobes of the brain. All right, start here. This is what you call your frontal lobe. Here at the top are your two parietal lobes. And the back is what you would call your occipital lobe. And here on the side, I'm sorry y'all, this is your occipital lobe. And on the sides, this is what you call your temporal lobes. All right, you all got that? We're going to start with this fissure right here in the front. This long fissure here is what you call your longitudinal fissure, what separates the right and left halves of your brain or the cerebral hemispheres. Back here is what you would call your transverse fissure. This is what separates your cerebellum from your occipital lobe. Above that, this is your parietal occipital sulcus. And this is what separates your occipital lobe from your parietal lobes. On the side here is what you would call your lateral sulcus. And this sulcus right here is what separates the temporal lobe from the parietal and the frontal lobes. All right? And, okay, I got all of those. The one thing I do want you all to know is the most important sulcus is your central sulcus. All right? The central sulcus is right here.
Can I see the central sulcus?
It's right here between the red and the blue. This is what separates your motor area from your somatosensory area. Your red is what you would call your premotor area. And then this purple bluish is your somatosensory area. All right? Now, let's start here. On your temporal lobe, this is your primary auditory area. All right? All of your functions for hearing. Your primary auditory area is this right here. In the back, this is your primary visual area. All right? You all got that?
Primary visual.
This is your primary visual area in your occipital lobes, yes. All right, all the way at the inferior aspect of your somatosensory area, this is your primary gustatory area. You all got that?
I didn't get the gustatory area.
Okay, right here. All of this area right here in general is your primary gustatory area, okay? And one important thing I do need you all to know is here, the Broca's area,